Good afternoon and welcome to San Nicolo Real Estate. I'm Natasha, and this afternoon I would love to show you an amazing apartment in the heart of the center of Florence, only 2 minutes away from Piazza Strozzi and Via Tornabuoni, where we have shops, restaurants and bars. Are you curious? Would you like to come with me? Here we have this double living space area that goes out on the street. These windows look over a very nice and famous area. And this way, we'll take you into the kitchen. The apartment measures around 190 square meters and is developed on 2 floors. Through this beautiful design staircase, we go up to the night area. So once upstairs, on this side we have an office space, and these doors we can close them totally. On this side we have a beautiful bright bedroom with a view over Florence. A lot of closet space and a sexy bathroom with jacuzzi. In this space we can relax, watch television, and this brings us out on the terrace, which is last but not least probably the most beautiful part, as we have this view over Florence, monuments, so for today, this was it. I hope you enjoyed this apartment, and please leave us your feedback because we're very interested to know what you think of this house. And please subscribe, okay? Thank you so much, and see you next time on San Nicolo Real Estate. Thank you.